Hello world, welcome back to another HackerRank Python challenge video. In this video, we're going to be solving loops. Let's get started. The provided code stub reads an integer n from stdin. For all non-negative integers, I less than n, print I squared. Example, n equals 3, the list of non-negative integers that are less than n equals 3 is 0, 1, 2, print the square of each number on a separate line. Okay, so this challenge is very straightforward. It's going to be a very basic for loop. So why don't we go ahead and type in our for condition. Now we're going to say for all non-negative integers, I less than n. So n is our upper bounds, right? So we're going to say for I in range of n, right? Because that's going... just having the value itself in there is the same thing as saying 0 to n, or n minus 1, right? Because the second parameter of the range function is always 1 minus whatever value it is, right? So now that we have our conditionals squared away, oh, I forgot. Let's go ahead and take care of our constraints first. So if n not in range of 1 to less than or equal to 20, so 1 to 21, then print n must be inclusively between 1 and 20. All right, go ahead and throw a little exit there. Okay, so let's continue with the rest of the task. Now that we have our conditional set up, so we want to print I squared each time it iterates. So we can simply do that by doing print I to the second power. Whoops. And that should be it for our for loop. We could have done a while loop as well, but for loop is easier in this case and much more consolidated. Go ahead and run our code and see what we get. All right, we passed the sample case, so let's go ahead and submit the code. Congratulations. Okay, so that was a pretty simple task, right? We're still on the easy problems. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like, subscribe, and check out the other videos that should pop up on the screen here. Go ahead and check out our Discord and Patreon in the description box down below, and leave any comments. Let us know what you think. This is Almond Milk, signing out.